Hey, it's Jax here. Welcome to Becoming Signal. This is the juiciest AI portal that you're going to find online anywhere. At the moment, the offer is $1 to be able to sign up, have a month for $1, where you get to train your ChatGPT and turn it into a clarity engine for you. Everything is designed so that you can mindfully train your AI consciously to be a tool for you. We also have over 100 prompts that are fun, explorative. You get to put ChatGPT on acid. You get to use the greatest minds as your business CEO. You get to figure out the story of your life. There is so much excellence in here, I can hardly believe it. You get live signal training with me once a month, and you get a private group where you can ask me questions. You might need help setting your ChatGPT up. There might be philosophical questions that you just need somebody to bounce off with. At the moment, while I'm doing this $1 for the first month, you also get a 30-minute Zoom call with me to be able to make sure that you are setting your AI up right, clearing the memory, setting up project folders. There's an AI success guide. There's how to create boundaries for you. What do you need to know for you and your family moving forward? How is this all going to play out in the end? We don't know, but what we do know is that the more that we are engaged and we have awareness, we're not going to be bamboozled, because ignorance isn't bliss. This is a tool for humanity if we choose to use it that way. So at the moment, it's only $1. It goes to $8.88 a month if you love it after that. I really want to hear from you. I want to have meetings with you. Try these free calls out. It's amazing. Train your ChatGPT memory so it's your clarity engine, so you are clear and the world can see your signal. Peace.